All right, let's talk about money. Today, we're going to break down a super simple system to help you manage it. And don't worry, you can forget about those complicated spreadsheets. This is a clear, kind of visual way to put you in complete control of your finances. You ever ask yourself that? It's a question a lot of us have. And honestly, the answer isn't always about working harder or even earning more. It's actually about having a better system for the money you already have. I mean, think about it. When your salary, your bill money, your savings, and your fund money are all just jumbled together in one account, how do you even know what's what? It's impossible. You just end up spending based on emotion, kind of guessing, instead of making clear, strategic decisions. But, there is a way to cut through all that chaos. And it all starts with asking one really simple question. This is the secret that completely changes the game. And here it is, the golden question. So instead of seeing just a lump sum in your account, you start seeing your money as a team of little employees. Some of your dollars, their job is to pay the rent. Other dollars get the job of building your wealth. And of course, some lucky dollars get the best job of all, guilt-free fun. Once you do this, once you assign a job to every single dollar, all the guesswork just vanishes. You stop wondering where your money went at the end of the month because you've already told it exactly where to go. This right here, this is the foundation of real financial control. So how do we actually put this into practice? Well, it all comes down to a really practical system that uses just 3 accounts. These are your 3 buckets. First up, you've got the bills account. This is for all your essentials, rent, groceries, utilities. Second is your save and invest account. This is your wealth building engine. And third, the fun account for everything else. Dinners out, hobbies, whatever you enjoy, completely guilt-free. Okay, let's make this real with some actual numbers. Let's just imagine you bring home $5,000 a month after taxes. So how do we split that up? A great rule of thumb to start with is the 60-30-10 split. So using our example, 60%, that's $3,000, goes right into your bills account. 30% or $1,500 goes straight to save and invest. And that last 10%, $500, lands right in your fun account. It's simple, it's automatic, and it's incredibly clear. But look, this isn't just about organizing numbers on a screen. This is about building long-term freedom. Let's actually see what happens when this system starts working for you over time. So let's imagine you've already saved up $10,000. That is a fantastic start. And with this system, that money isn't just sitting there. It's about to become the seed for some serious growth. This is where the magic really happens. It's called compounding. By consistently adding that 30% and investing it, your initial 10 grand starts to grow all on its own. Now, if we just assume a historical stock market return of around 10% a year, you can really see how a disciplined approach transforms that starting amount over time. It's powerful stuff. And this really is the ultimate payoff. It's not about stress or anxiety anymore. The real goal is financial peace of mind. Just knowing your bills are covered, your future is growing, and that you can actually enjoy your life today. That gives you a confidence that just earning a bigger paycheck can't. So you have the blueprint. The whole plan is right here. Now, how do you actually start building? Well, the first steps are incredibly simple, and you can literally do them today. Here's your action plan. 1. Open 3 separate bank accounts. A lot of the time, you can just create sub-accounts online in minutes. 2. Automate everything. Set up those transfers to happen the day you get paid so you don't even have to think about it. And 3, and this one is key, you have to treat your savings contribution like it's your most important bill. You pay yourself first, always. And remember to be patient with yourself. This whole thing is about building habits that stick. It's the small, consistent actions that lay the foundation for massive success down the road. You are laying the very first bricks of your financial empire right now. So what's the most important thing to take away from all this? It's simple. The single most important step you can take is to start today. Take that first real step. Open your 3 accounts and give every single one of your dollars a job.